Sagertec, an international enterprise in the design, development and manufacturing of laminated glass process machinery, was founded on 27 February 2008. The focus and drive behind our company was to introduce new and exciting ideas to the glass industry, particularly in the field of lamination. Our head office is located in Beijing Shunyi Green International Port. The factory is in Qingxian Industrial Zone. In addition, the industrial area in which our manufacturing facility is based is further equipped with several associated specialist engineering providers, giving us the ability to manufacture and source the majority of our machine components locally. Our factory comprises large-scale CNC gantry milling, CNC machining centers, CNC laser cutting machines, and other advanced productions and processing equipment. The Sagertec team comprises professional design and research staff with domestic and foreign senior engineers, experienced professional technicians, and a dynamic and professional commercial team, allowing us to offer service worldwide. Our products include a new autoclave-free automatic PVB laminating furnace, fully automatic laminating production line, EVA laminating furnace, glass washing machine, heat soak oven, and other ancillary glass processing machinery. Our autoclave-free PVB laminating furnace is a new design offering key advantages compared with traditional PVB laminating solutions. Primarily, this system can produce PVB laminated glass in substantially quicker cycle times whilst offering large reductions in capital expenditure and without the usual safety concerns associated with autoclave systems. The new line is very flexible for production solutions, suitable for both bulk and single-piece production. Cycle times as fast as 5 to 10 minutes per batch are possible, compared with several hours in autoclave systems. The finished glass has passed the test by National Glass Quality Supervision and Inspection Center. The system is also able to produce EVA laminated glass. The line adopts a one-stop process, thus avoiding waste resulting from the need of secondary heating because of cooling down glass after roller pressing. The line is automatically programmed and controlled from loading, washing, cutting film, and laminating, and can be customized by customers' requirements. Furthermore, the system allows for remote diagnosis and Industrial 4.0 networking control. The entire production line only requires 2 operators, offering huge potential for labor saving and further adding to production efficiency and overall cost saving. Our business philosophy is technology innovation and quality control is always being first priority. We provide qualified and advanced products for our clients throughout the glass industry and always make great efforts to expand international business and cooperation driven through innovation. Now, we have branch in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and agents in England, USA, Italy, South Korea, and Turkey. The products have already been exported to England, France, Italy, Belgium, USA, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, South Korea, Thailand, the United Arab Emirates, Turkey, Kenya, and South Africa, etc. for more than 50 different countries and areas. Gain trust and reputation from customers all over the world. Sagertec always keeps it in mind that by providing high-quality equipment and technology combined with first-rate service for the glass industry worldwide, Sagertec will cement our position as an internationally renowned brand.